I know you were told you can no longer use Grok for free. If you want to use it, you need to go to the app. When you go there, you need to subscribe. If you're in Nigeria, you spend about 48,500 or so. If you're outside Nigeria, you may spend about $30 to $50 depending on the one that you can afford monthly. So guys, there are still ways you can use Grok, and one of those ways is what I will be showing you in today's video. So if you're a Grok lover, you're one of those persons always writing in my comment section that there is no platform like Grok, then I think this is one of the best videos that you should watch, because in this video you will learn how to use Grok again for free. When I say free, it is free. So if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, this is me urging you to watch it from start to finish. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to like this video, do well to share this video. So without wasting any time, I'll just go straight to it because I don't want this video to be long. I'll be using this other phone as my screen recorder. So at this point, my screen recorder is on. So now that my screen recorder is on, I'll go straight to my notes. So at this point, I am going straight to the browser. I'll be using this platform through the browser. So I'll be using Google. You may want to use any browser of your choice. So here on my Google, I'll go ahead and type wavespeed.ai. Now I've typed that. It has brought me to this interface. I'll go ahead and click on this first one here. Now I've gone ahead to click on it. Let me tell you something. Those persons that are always waiting for the names of the AI tool, once they get it, boom, they rush to their browser to use it. Trust me, you see this particular one, it will not work like that for you. You run to your browser and still come back to watch the video, because when you get to your browser, you'll notice that you will not be able to generate it. So it's best you wait. So at this point, it has brought me to this interface. So the only reason it brought me to this interface is because I logged in already. So if this is your first time on this platform, you really do need to log in. You may want to log in using your email account. You may want to log in using your Google account. Anyone at all, it is going to work. So at this point, this is it. I'll go ahead and if you look up here, you see explore, you see history, AI generator, desktop, and all of that. So I'll go ahead and click on AI generator. Now immediately you click on AI generator. This is the interface it will bring you to. Now if you look up here, you will notice that it is under image. So if you check below here, you will see video. So in order for you to generate your images on this platform, you will be charged. So we don't have enough credits. So I had generated my image already on Google Flow. So you may want to use Google Flow as well while you come back here for the animation. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on video. Have gone ahead to click on video. So as I clicked on video, this is the interface it brought me to. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on model. So by default, you will see it in Seedance 2.5. That's where it is. Now I've gone ahead to click on it. This platform has Seedance 2.5. So if you want to generate using Seedance 2.5, there is really no problem. It has Seedance 2.0. It has Minimax. It has One. It has many AI models. It has View. It has Grok and Grok Emerging. So this is what I will do. I'll go ahead and copy my prompt. Now I'm back here to my notes. I've copied my prompt. I'll come here and paste it. Have pasted my prompt. So I'll scroll down. Now if you check below here, you see how much I'll be charged. You see how much I'll be charged. Now, once you log in on this platform, you won't be given this amount. You won't be given up to this amount. But don't worry, we will still generate. So what I'll do next is for me to scroll down like this. I'm scrolling down like this. So at this point, I'll choose my aspect ratio. I'll leave it at 16:9. I'll go ahead and choose my resolution. I'll leave it at 480p. Now, I don't know if you noticed something. If you change your resolution, the numbers of credit you'll be charged will reduce. You understand? So it has reduced. At this point, let's go and check which of the models is up here. Okay, the model we have here is Cadence 2.5. So let's go ahead and put it in Grok. We have Grok Emerging and we have Grok Emerging. We also have Grok Emerging 1.5. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using Grok Emerging, not Grok 1.5. So at this point, what else? I'll scroll down like this because I've not brought in everything. I haven't brought in everything. So here it says drop or upload your image. So I've gone ahead to click on it. Have brought in my image. So my image is here now. My image is here now. I'll go ahead and confirm every other thing. I think everything is okay now. So at this point, I will go ahead and hit generate. Now I've gone ahead to hit generate, and looking at it like right now, it is generating for me. If you look up here, it says generation started. So my generation has started already. Now let me tell you something. In a situation where you don't want to use Grok Emerging, you want to use Grok Emerging 1.5, there is really no problem. You can go ahead and put it in Grok Emerging 1.5. All you have to do is for you to reduce the resolution. After reducing the resolution, you go ahead and reduce the duration as well. Once you do this, you will notice that the numbers of credits that you will be charged will be reduced. So at this point, this is 37%. Let me pause this video. Once it is done generating, we will go ahead and watch it together. So if you look up here, you'll notice that I still have a little credit left. So if I had reduced the duration, trust me, I wouldn't have been charged up to this amount. I would have had more credit for me to generate more videos. So depending on the quality of video you want, that is how you'll be charged on this platform. Let's just wait for it to get done generating so that we can save it and watch it together. At this point, our video is ready. At this point, if you want to download it, all you have to do is for you to go ahead and click on these three dots. Now once you go ahead to click on the three dots, you will see download. Now once you click on that download, it will download directly into your gallery. It is as simple as this. So at this point, I believe you've gotten value. Let me know if you try this out. Let me know if you've used this platform before. Let me know if you got value. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.